In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create reports in EarthSmart. Reports allow you to automate a standard report template. It also allows for easy scenario analysis and rapid EPD creation. This tutorial is for EarthSmart administrators, managers, and users who have some familiarity with lifecycle assessment. To get to the report screen, click on the Reports tab. To begin creating a new report, click New in the lower right-hand corner. Give the report a name. To create your report, drag and drop items from left to right. Use items like the title, heading 1, 2, and 3, and caption to help format your report. Drag them from left to right and then enter the text you want to show up in your report. The Custom Text module allows you to enter paragraphs of text explaining what is in your report. If you're recreating this report to use as a template for others, you can use this area to give instructions, like enter the functional unit here. To make reports even easier, there's a text module function. EarthSmart has written a number of modules you might want to include in your reports. You can also upload your own modules in text format to be used in reports for your company. To use a text module, select it and click OK. To see the details of how a particular lifecycle was built, drag over the BOM. Select the product lifecycle you want to display. You can use this feature more than once through the report to show different product models. All of the analyses that you can do in EarthSmart can be replicated in your report. Drag the bar chart into the report. Just like when you analyze, drag one or more lifecycles from left to right. Choose the phase, whether you want to show characterization, impacts, normalization, or a single score. Change the method as needed. If you're doing a scenario analysis, click the Parameters tab and set up the analysis. Click OK to add the analysis to your report. If you're creating this report for a new user, be sure to include instructions. You can continue to add modules to your report, such as a radar chart, data table, or image. Once your report is complete, save it. You have the option to save it as a template, which does not save the product lifecycle associated with the BOM and analyses, or as a report, which saves everything. You can also save your report to be visible just to you or to your entire group. Click OK to save. To see what your report looks like, click Download. You'll get the option to open the report or save it. Scroll down to see what the report looks like. If you find you need to make changes, the report is very easy to modify. To modify an individual element, click the pencil icon. To delete an item, click the trash can. If you want to change the order, simply drag and drop the element in the report. Be sure to click Save again to save your changes. If you have a report you like but want one slightly different, you can copy and edit it. Click the Copy button. Be sure to save it with a different name. Now you've finished creating a report in EarthSmart. The last tutorial in this series shows users and viewers how to use an existing report in EarthSmart. If you have any questions about creating a report in EarthSmart, be sure to contact us.